Did you know that animals talk? They have their own unique ways of communicating with each other, just like humans do. But instead of using words, they use sounds, gestures, and even scents to convey messages. It's fascinating to think about how diverse and complex animal communication can be. They don't speak like you and me. Instead, they rely on a variety of sounds to express themselves. For example, a dog's bark can mean many different things depending on the context. It could be a warning, a call for attention, or even a way to express excitement. Animals use special sounds to talk to each other. These sounds can be incredibly varied, from the chirping of crickets to the howling of wolves. Each sound has a specific purpose and meaning, helping animals to survive and thrive in their environments. It's like their own secret language. For instance, dolphins use a series of clicks and whistles to communicate with each other, and each dolphin has a unique signature whistle that acts like a name. Some animal sounds are loud, like a lion's roar. This powerful sound can be heard from miles away and is used to establish territory and communicate with other lions. Some are quiet, like a mouse's squeak. These tiny sounds are often used to communicate with other mice in close proximity, helping them to stay safe and find food. Some sounds are high, like a bird's chirp. Birds use these melodic sounds to attract mates, defend their territory, and even warn others of danger. Others are low, like an elephant's rumble. These deep, resonant sounds can travel long distances and are used by elephants to communicate with each other across the vast savanna. The world is full of amazing animal sounds. Each species has its own unique way of communicating, adding to the rich tapestry of life on Earth. Close your eyes and listen. Take a moment to appreciate the symphony of sounds around you. From the buzzing of bees to the croaking of frogs, every sound tells a story. What animal sounds can you hear? Try to identify them and think about what they might be saying. The more you listen, the more you'll discover about the incredible world of animal communication. Why do animals make so many sounds? The natural world is filled with a symphony of noises, each with its own purpose and meaning. They are talking to each other. Communication is vital for survival, and animals have developed unique ways to convey messages. Animals use sounds to communicate. From the deep roar of a lion to the gentle hum of a bee, each sound serves a specific function. A mother bird chirps to her babies. These chirps can signal feeding time or provide comfort and reassurance. A wolf howls to call its pack. This haunting sound can travel great distances, helping to reunite the group. A frog croaks to find a mate. These calls are often loud and persistent, ensuring they are heard by potential partners. Animals also use sounds to stay safe. Alarm calls can warn others of predators or other dangers. A squirrel chatters to warn others of danger. This rapid chattering can alert nearby squirrels to take cover. A rattlesnake shakes its tail to scare away enemies. The distinctive rattle serves as a clear warning to stay back. Dolphins click and whistle to communicate. These sounds help them navigate, find food, and maintain social bonds. Elephants trumpet to express emotions. Whether it's joy, anger, or a call for help, their powerful sounds resonate across the savanna. Even insects like crickets use sound. Their chirping is a way to attract mates and establish territory. The chorus of nature is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Each sound tells a story, contributing to the rich tapestry of the natural world. Animal sounds tell us a lot. They tell us if an animal is happy, sad, or angry. They tell us if an animal is looking for food or a friend. Animals have different ways of making sounds. Birds sing beautiful songs using their throats. Grasshoppers rub their legs together to make music. Whales make deep calls that travel through the ocean. Section 4. Amazing animal talkers. Some animals are amazing talkers. Humpback whales sing long, complex songs. These songs can last for hours. Scientists believe whales use songs to attract mates and find their way in the ocean. Parrots are also very clever. They can learn to copy human words and sounds. Some parrots can even understand what the words mean. Section 5. Can we understand? Learning about animal sounds is fun. It opens up a whole new world of understanding and appreciation for the creatures we share our planet with. From the chirping of birds to the howling of wolves, each sound tells a story. These sounds can teach us about animal behavior, their environment, and even their emotions. Imagine being able to identify an animal just by its call. We can learn a lot about animals by listening to them. Wildlife enthusiasts and researchers spend countless hours recording and analyzing these sounds. They use sophisticated equipment to capture the nuances of each call, which helps them understand the communication patterns and social structures of different species. This knowledge is crucial for conservation efforts and protecting endangered species. Maybe one day we can even learn to speak their language. Wouldn't that be amazing? Imagine a future where humans and animals can communicate seamlessly, breaking down the barriers between species. This could lead to unprecedented levels of cooperation and understanding, making our world a better place for all living beings. Next time you're outside, close your eyes and listen. What can you hear? The rustling of leaves, the chirping of crickets, or the distant call of a bird? Each sound is a piece of the natural symphony that surrounds us. By tuning in, we can feel more connected to nature and develop a deeper appreciation for the world around us. Can you guess what the animals are saying? Engaging in activities like guessing animal sounds can be both fun and educational. It sharpens our listening skills and enhances our ability to recognize different species. Plus, it's a great way to bond with family and friends while learning something new. The animal kingdom is full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Each animal has its own unique way of communicating, and by paying attention, we can unlock these mysteries. So, let's keep our ears open and our minds curious. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the world of animal sounds? Thank you for joining us on this journey. Please subscribe to the channel for more exciting content.